Hello everyone, have you ever wondered how quickly you can transform your gut health? Is it possible to make significant changes in a short amount of time? Well, stay with me until the end and I'll share my personal journey of rapidly improving my gut health and the steps I took to achieve it. Before diving into my story, let's briefly understand what gut health entails. Our gut or gastrointestinal tract is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These microbes play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mental well-being. Maintaining a balanced gut microbiome is essential for overall health. A few months ago, I began experiencing digestive discomforts, bloating, irregular bowel movements, and occasional stomach cramps. These symptoms started affecting my daily life, making me realize that I needed to take action to restore my gut health. Determined to make a change, I implemented several strategies that led to a rapid improvement in my gut health. First, I diversified my diet. I began incorporating a wide variety of plant-based foods into my meals. Research suggests that consuming a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains can enhance gut microbiome diversity. Second, I added fermented foods like kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut to my diet. These foods are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Third, I increased my fiber intake. I focused on consuming high-fiber foods such as beans, berries, and whole grains. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in the gut. Fourth, I made sure to stay hydrated. Proper hydration is vital for digestion and maintaining a healthy gut lining. I ensured I drank plenty of water throughout the day. Fifth, I managed my stress. Recognizing the impact of stress on gut health, I incorporated stress reduction techniques like meditation and yoga into my routine. Chronic stress can negatively affect the gut microbiome. Sixth, I engaged in regular physical activity. Activities like walking and strength training became part of my daily regimen, as regular exercise has been shown to promote a healthy gut microbiome. Lastly, I prioritized sleep. I aimed for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, as sleep is essential for overall health, including the gut. Poor sleep can disrupt the gut microbiome balance. Within a few weeks of implementing these changes, I noticed significant improvements. Reduced bloating. The uncomfortable bloating subsided and I felt lighter. Regular digestion. My bowel movements became more regular and predictable. Enhanced energy levels. With better digestion, my energy levels increased and I felt more active throughout the day. My journey taught me that improving gut health doesn't require drastic measures. Simple, consistent changes in diet and lifestyle can lead to rapid and noticeable benefits. Here are some actionable steps you can consider. Eat a variety of plant-based foods. Aim to include different fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains in your diet. Include fermented foods. Incorporate foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut to introduce beneficial bacteria. Stay hydrated. Ensure adequate water intake to support digestion. Manage stress. Practice stress reduction techniques that work for you, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. Exercise regularly. Engage in physical activities you enjoy to promote overall health. Get quality sleep. Prioritize sleep to allow your body to repair and maintain a healthy gut. Thank you for staying with me through this journey. Remember, everyone's body is unique, so it's essential to listen to yours and make adjustments that suit your individual needs. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with gut health, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Take care, and here's to a healthier gut.